Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are going to continue the second part of the second chapter of 7th class IT subject. So choosing a font means if you want to design your text, for that you can change the font of document or text. So we have these options. You can see the dialog box in the image. It has options like font, font style, font size. So you can change the font size, font style and font name of the text. So we can see the process. Just go to the format menu and choose option font, and as you will click on the font option, it will appear or it will give a dialog box, and you can choose your desired option from the dialog box. What is a font style? Font style is nothing but the style if you want to change your text in bold, if you want to bold it, if you want to italic it, if you want to bold italic, both option you want to use. See, the short forms of these options are like B for bold, I for italic and U for underline. Changing the size, if you want to change the size of the text, you can see that we already saw a dialog box, font dialog box. In that font dialog box we have option font size, so we can change the size of the font as per our need. Then we can say the changing the case of text. Case means if you want to mm, change the case in the form like uppercase, lowercase, sentence case, title case, toggle case. So these changes we can do by using this change case option. So by example we can understand what is a sentence case, what is a lowercase, what is a uppercase, and what is title case and toggle case. See, sentence case means the starting letter or alphabet of the word is capital up to the full stop, and later on it will be the capital. And uppercase means all letters are in capital form. Lowercase means all letters are in small form. Title case means if you want to give the title to any document, at that time you can use this title case. Toggle case means the first letter of word is small and remaining all are capitals. So these are the examples of change case. Now we will see the special features. What are the special features we have in MS Word? See, one can select the special features, say like underline, color of page, color of text, special effect, which change the appearance of document by using the font dialog box. As we saw, we have lots of option in font dialog box like font size, font name, font style, even color, color of document, color of text, like this. Underline, one formatting toolbar. On formatting toolbar, U means U is used to give underline. Okay, icon allows to underline select text. From format menu, one gets better option to underline. Select format menu and click on the font and click on underline drop down list. It has options, means if you will go to the format menu, otherwise it also have this option on the standard toolbar also. Underline option, underline, we have more underline also, like single underline means if you want to give a single underline to the text. Word only underline means if you want to give underline to the only words. Double underline means if you want to give double underline to the text. Dotted underline means if you want to give underline in the form of dots. Setting color and special effect on the document. MS Word allows to set different color for the text. Color can be selected through font color option from font dialog box or through the formatting box. One can take print out with a color printer also. If you want to give the color to the document, we have to just go to the format menu and click on the font option. It will give this dialog box. From that dialog box you can choose whatever you want, like if you want to change the font name, if you want to change the font size, if you want to change the font style, or otherwise you can change the color of the document also, and you can take the color print through the color printer. So these are, and some special effect also is there, like subscript, superscript, shadows, outline, emboss, engrow, small caps, all caps, hidden, etc. So these are special effect which is available in the font dialog box. Print a document. How to print a document? Simply, actually we have two ways to print a document. Just go to that document or file, and directly you can use shortcut keys Ctrl plus P, or we have another option like go to the file menu and choose option print. As you will click on that print option, it will give this dialog box, and you can set this dialog box, like if you want to take a number of copies, just write here number of copies, and if you want to print all pages, click on the all pages option and click on the OK button. It will print your document. And if you want to change the printer name, if you have more than one printer, then you can choose your printer. These are the views of document. If you want to change the view of document, normal view means normal, by default view is normal view. If you want to see your page in different view like web layout view, as we see the web pages, we can see this view is web layout view. Print layout view means this is the actual view which is used at the time of print of the page. If you want to see the view how it will look after the printout, you can check in this view. Outline view, it is different view from others. It is display like this. You can see all text will go to the left side and it will give some dots to the lines. Full screen view, it will display the output or document in the full screen. Split the window. Split the window means it will create two parts of the same window. Means you can divide your window, or you can divide the view of the window into two different parts of a document, which can be seen at the same time. For this option, select split from window menu. This is available on the window menu. You can see your one window into two parts, two different parts. View of a document. Preview of a document means if you want to take the printout of document, before taking printout how it will look, you can check its preview. To see the preview of the document, just go to the file menu and select option print preview, so you can see how it will look. See, go to the file menu and you can choose which option, print preview options. And after that, printing a document. If you want to print, actually we saw that dialog box, we have two types, two ways or three ways to take the printout. First is click on the print button on the standard toolbar, which is directly we can access it. Otherwise, go to the print preview option toolbar. From there also you can give the printout. Otherwise, go to the file menu and from that choose the print option, and a dialog box will appear as we saw. And in that we can set which page how many copies we want to take, which by which printer we want to take printout, and all pages or current page or number of pages if you want to print. So we can set these settings in that dialog box and click on that OK button. It will give hard copy, that is called printout. Thank you so much.